Today I'm taking my first ride on my 2023 Yamaha FJR 1300 ES that I picked up during April 2023 at a used motorcycle dealer with only 550 miles on it. Welcome to 3 Bike Mike, where the motto is always ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, throw a like, and share with your friends around the world.
I was a little bit afraid to get on this bike and ride it because I've never been on two wheels on a motorcycle that has 142 horsepower. First thing I notice when I get on it is it will pull in any gear. Break-in period is supposed to be 1,000 miles. First 600 you keep it no greater than 5,400 RPM, and then from 600 to 1,000 it says no greater than 5,600 RPM. But I haven't had it above 3 grand since I've been on it, on this first inaugural ride. But to tell you how it feels being on this Yamaha FJR, without using any curse words, it's kind of thrilling. The brakes grab. I've already tested out applying just the rear brake, their unified braking system, and that's nice. And the front brakes, man, they grab really well, unbelievably well. So I really like it. My first ride here so far is 8.1 miles, and everything you've ever heard about an FJR being heavy, the other thing you hear about an FJR being heavy is that once you get going you don't feel a thing. That's all true. It is heavy, and once you get going you don't feel a thing. And you know, coming up on a stop at a traffic light or a stop sign, it is very balanced.
I bought my FJR at a shop in San Antonio, Texas named Cycle Rider. The owner has been in business for something like 32 years. You can see as we scroll through the website the kinds of bikes that are there, the prices, and you can also see that these bikes, as soon as they go up online, they're sold. That's what happened with mine. I was the first person to call for my FJR. It went up that morning, I made the phone call, and they put my name on it. And there was well over 200 people that called for this bike in the days after I called. Now, the story behind this FJR is that some guy bought it, he put 550 miles on it, decided he didn't like it, traded it in on a Harley Davidson, and the Harley dealer called Cycle Rider in San Antonio and said, "Hey, can you take this off our hands? We don't know what to do with it." He took it, it became mine. Now it's time for a brief intermission clip.
This is what I got from my wife. Yaki Mandu. Okay, she might like it. She's gonna ask me, why did you bring this? And I'm gonna tell her, because I want to get laid. What other reason would there be for a man to bring food to his wife?
If you've made it this far, you're seeing me eating a sandwich. As I'm eating this sandwich, there's a link at the top right of me talking about my 5 bikes while eating that sandwich. Bikes and making these videos is a great passion of mine, but it's just me here and it's a hobby for now. As I approach retirement from my day job, I will be able to dedicate more time to this channel. Please hit like so this video gets out there more, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Leave a comment too if you're so inclined. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Now let's get back to the video. Realize the FJR's last year was 2024. I've already got Cycle Trader keyed up. Let's take a look how I found my FJR. A Yamaha FJR 1300 ES. And here they start showing them in Oklahoma. We live in Texas, so we're going to come up here and say view states, and we only want to look at the ones in Texas. I've been searching for one of these for quite a while, but never thought that I could afford one. So I'm looking at one again now, and here we go. Caryville, $17,299. They have 2 of them. This one in Selma, Texas, that's a little bit more than MSRP. So I don't know what's going on there. Here's one. This is MSRP, Houston, Texas. Brand new 2023. Here's a 2019 with 7,800 miles for $14,999. I think that's a little bit high for a 2019, a bike that's already 4 years old. I emailed them and asked them, hey, do you have the service records on this? Did you service the motorcycle? And all they responded back with to me was, yes, the bike has been serviced. That didn't tell me anything that I was looking for nor answer my questions. I passed on this. Here is a 2023 for $16,995. See, those are the discounts. Now, let's go down here. There's another one. Yesterday when I was looking, one popped. And I want to get to that here. Where is it? Here it is in San Antonio, 120 miles away. I called them and I put my name on this. They won't take a deposit over the phone because they took it in on trade and there's a loan against it right now. And they have to pay that loan and get the title, and then they can make a deal with me. But we're going to go here and we're going to look at my motorcycle because this is going to be mine. Okay, there's the photos, but we're going to go to the website and look at the dealer website because they got some nice crisp clear photos here. We're going to click on them, enlarge them. Yeah, that's cool. We got to escape. You can't press forward on this. So the things I like about this bike, I don't know if you've noticed so far if you're looking at this video, but it has crash bars already installed. It has a knee pad on the tank, crash bars back here for the saddlebags, and then it's got, I don't know what kind of seat this is. I can't tell. I don't see any emblems on it or anything. It could be the original seat, I'm not sure, but I do see this piping here that is not on the original seat. But this is a Corbin little glove box back here, made by Corbin. That could be a Corbin seat too. I don't know. But they also told me that they had the original seat for it. So I'll get that too. 550 miles on this motorcycle. Now, the thing about this with 550 miles is that Yamaha requires its first service at 600 miles. So this bike, it's at a used dealer down in San Antonio. Before I bring it home with 550 miles, I'm going to take it to the nearest Yamaha dealer down there and get a dealer service on it. There's that Corbin little locker on the back of the bike there. I also am able to buy a Yamaha extended service plan on it for 4 years. It's going to cost about $850. So that is my 2023 Yamaha FJR 1300 ES with 550 miles. You know, somebody bought this bike and decided they didn't like it. They didn't want it. They wanted something else. That's what happened here. That's what people sometimes do.
And we got a cattle guard coming up.